One of the most frustrating challenges in Excel is merging columns without losing valuable data. Today, I'll demonstrate a reliable method to combine multiple columns while preserving all your information and formatting integrity. Excel's built-in merge functions have a critical limitation. They only retain data from the top left cell, discarding everything else. This creates a significant problem when working with data sets where every piece of information matters, forcing users to manually reconstruct lost data. The key to successful column merging lies in using specialized tools designed for data preservation. I'll walk you through a comprehensive approach that maintains data integrity while providing flexible formatting options. Step 1. Data preparation. First, identify and select the columns containing your data. In this example, we have employee names, departments, and ID numbers. Notice the mix of text, numbers, and different formatting styles that we need to preserve. Step 2. Tool access. For this demonstration, I'm using Kutools for Excel, which provides advanced merging capabilities. The specific feature we need is combine rows, columns, or cells without losing data. This type of functionality addresses the core limitation of standard Excel operations. Step 3. Configuration settings. The configuration process involves several key decisions. Choose combine columns as our merge type. Select an appropriate separator, spaces, commas, or custom characters depending on your needs. Determine output location. You can preserve original data by creating new columns. Handle existing merged cells appropriately for your dataset requirements. Step 4. Execution and results. Execute the merge operation and observe the results. All original data remains intact. Formatting is preserved across different data types, and the combined information is properly structured with your chosen separators. The completed merge demonstrates several critical advantages: complete data retention, preserve formatting for dates and numbers, maintain data type integrity, and professional presentation. This approach is essential when working with financial records, customer databases, or any scenario where data accuracy is non-negotiable. This technique proves valuable in numerous scenarios: creating full name fields from separate first and last name columns, combining address components, merging product specifications, or consolidating financial data. The flexibility in separator choices allows customization for specific reporting requirements. Successfully merging Excel columns without data loss requires the right approach and tools. By using specialized add-ins like Kutools for Excel, you can overcome Excel's native limitations and maintain data integrity throughout your workflow. Thanks for watching.